Hi, scientists. We are going to start our new lesson on plants, the life cycle of a plant. And so we are going to start with observing a flowering plant. Now, I have a picture here in this video, and it is of a type of a flowering plant. This plant is called a geranium. So I want you to look at this geranium. What do you notice about this geranium? I'm noticing a lot of different things about it. Take a look at that geranium. I bet there's a lot of things that you're noticing about it. Do you know what this part of the plant is called? Do you know what that part of the plant is called? If you know it, you can just say it right now. Yes, that's the leaf. The leaf. Now, what color are the leaves? Green. Very good. Now, what part of the plant is that? The flower. Yes, that's the flower. Oh, ignore the dog. That is not my dog. Okay, I'm sitting outside and the dog is barking. It's very noisy. Okay, what color are the flowers on this geranium? What color are the flowers on this geranium? Yeah, they're red. Okay, now what about this part? What is this? That's the stem. The stem. Now, what color is the stem of the plant? The stem is green. Leaves and flowers grow from the stem of this geranium. Leaves, flowers, and the stem are three parts of a plant. So I'm going to put that there. Leaves, flowers, and the stem are three parts of this plant. Okay. There's another part of this plant that we can't see right now. It is the part that holds the plant in the soil. Does anyone think they know what this part of the plant is called? It's the part of the plant that's down here. It holds the plant in the soil. That part is called the roots. The roots of the plant. That was very messy handwriting, sorry. The roots. Okay. If you could see the roots on the geranium, you would see they are long and there's lots of them together. And they help the geranium to eat. So, all plants need light, water, and air to live. So this geranium will need light, water, and air. Where do you think would be a good place to put a geranium inside so it would have light? I think that a window would be a good place, or near a window. How will this geranium get the water that it needs to live? Oh yeah, somebody could water the plant. This geranium will use air. So this geranium will use air, light, and water to live. Pretty interesting stuff. Now I want to show you some other plants. Okay, so we're going to go on to the next page. And I want you to look at some plants that are planted in someone's garden. Okay, so we are going to look at photos of sunflowers. Sunflowers are over here. Sunflowers and marigolds. Sunflowers and marigolds. Now, this is a photo of a sunflower and of marigold plants growing in front of a fence. Now, the fence is very tall that the sunflowers are growing in front of. The fence that the marigolds are growing in front of is shorter. Sunflower plant is the tall plant. Marigold plants are the shorter plants. I want to show you something about the flowers in a sunflower. Okay, I'm going to see if I can make those bigger. Let's see. I want you to look at the flower. Okay, so look at these flowers here in the sunflower. They have very, very big circles in the middle that have seeds in the middle of them. Each flower has many seeds. Now, I want you to make this one a little bit smaller, and I want to show you the marigold plant a little bigger and show you something about those marigolds. In the center of the marigold plant, there are also many seeds. So on the next page, we are going to observe the seeds for sunflowers. These are sunflower seeds and marigolds. Okay, those are the seeds that you are going to be planting today. So we are going to plant marigold seeds in one of our cups and sunflower seeds in the other cup, and then we are going to draw what we observe, because scientists draw and write about what they observe and what they know. So you have a booklet called Observing the Growth of Plants. And at the very front on page 3, it says Planting Seeds, Week 1. I planted seeds in the soils. That's what you're going to do today with Mom and Dad. I watered my seeds. I put my cups of seeds in the light. My scientific drawings will show how my seed grows into new plants. So you are going to draw and write what you observe after planting your seed.